Get excited! Victory Temple Bowie is shifting the atmosphere.
The 14th annual Power Explosion is going to blow your mind. 8 days of earth-shaking praise.
Groundbreaking prophecy like never before.
With guest pastors Ayo Orishejafor,
Charles Agunyin Asare,
Pastor Leke Sanusi,
and Reverend Sunday Akingbelure. And that's not all. Witness praise like never before with guest psalmist Pastor Jason Nelson, Cobams Asuquo, Lara George, Melody Emanson, and the Tribe of Judah Choir.
hosted by Pastors Bayo and Margaret Adeyokunu. It's all going down July 21st through the 28th, 2013 at RCCG Victory Temple at 13701 Old Annapolis Road, Bowie, Maryland 20720.
Greatness awaits you.
See you there.